Cucumber has long been used in skincare for its cooling and soothing properties. In fact, placing cucumber slices on the eyes is a popular home remedy to reduce puffiness under the eyes. Its high water content, approximately 96%, also promotes skin hydration when applied topically. No wonder its extract is a popular ingredient in cosmetic products due to its numerous skin-friendly properties. In this guide, we're going to discuss the properties, functions, benefits, and applications of cucumber extract in cosmetic formulations.